So let me show you how to build an AI agent with no code in about 30 seconds. The first thing you need to do is just go to your browser and search for n8n.io. You should log in and create a new workflow. And this would look something like this, where you have to add your first step. So just click on it and search for AI agent. Select this option of AI agent and tada, you have created AI agent without any coding needed. But the first thing we need to do is we need to attach brain to our AI agent. So I'm going to use OpenAI or ChatGPT chat model for that. Configure your OpenAI account and all the errors will be gone. Next, we are going to attach memory to our AI agent. Why we attach memory? So that our AI agent can recall past conversation and past history. In this example, I'm using simple memory. Thereafter, we are going to attach tools, and this is where the real magic comes. Let's say we want to create an email AI agent that will get emails, that will send emails, that will manage our entire inbox. So we will add Gmail as a tool for our AI agent. You can see inside operation, it can get emails, it can send emails, it can reply, delete, etc. etc. So all you need to do is just connect your Gmail account inside n8n workflow. It is very simple. So let's select the first operation, which is fetching all the emails from our inbox. So I'm going to select get. Now we also want to send emails from our AI agent. So again click on plus and we will search for Gmail as a tool. This time we are going to select the operation of send. For to, subject line and messages, we want AI to automatically define it on itself. So click on the stars. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. And now you can get any emails, you can send any emails from your AI agent. So click on open chats. Let's say, can you get my last unread email? As you can see, our AI agent is working in live and it is able to fetch my last unread email with the subject line and with the email body. Now let's say we want to reply to this email from our AI agent itself. So it will automatically configure out the receptionist email as well as it will create the subject line and the email body on its own. We want to say n8n is great for creating AI agents. Now you can see our send email tool has been triggered. So if you go to our inbox, this is our subject line, receptionist email address and our email copy. Yes, n8n is great for creating AI agents. You can see here as well, I have sent the reply confirming that n8n is great to Manthan Patel. So this is how you can create AI agents inside n8n without you having to write a single line of